Today we'll study about living and non-living things. Okay? So, can anyone tell me we are living or not? Are you living or non-living?
We are living.
We are okay. We are living. So, see. So we are living. If you look at a stone, okay, is the stone living or not? Is it living or non-living? A
No.
stone.
No.
It is not living. Okay, it is non-living. Okay. So when you all must have seen the photographs when you all be very small. You all must have seen the photographs when you all be very small. Have you all seen the photographs?
Yeah.
Pictures?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So when you all be born, you all be very small. Slowly, you all grew up. Okay. Now you all have become little bit bigger. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. But what about a chair? Do you all think a chair grows? So you all have grown up. When you all were born, you all were very, very small. Okay? So you all are growing. Does a chair grow?
No.
Does a chair grow? The chair does not grow. So we are living, but the chair is non-living. Okay? We are living, but the chair is non-living. Have you seen a worm? A small worm. कीड़ा देखा है आपने?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you seen it moving?
Yes.
Does the worm move or it be in one place?
It moves.
It moves. So it can move. So so worm is a living thing because it moves. But what about your phone? Does your phone move from one place to the other?
No.
Have you seen your phone moving? No. Your phone does not move. The phone does not move. It remains in one place unless you push it or you bring it from one place to the other. You have to do that. Okay? But otherwise, phone will not move.
And ma'am, I want to tell you something.
Yes, Udit.
When my dad the office phone comes, the phone vibrates and then the phone moves like this.
Yes. So when the phone vibrates, it moves. But it is because we are setting it on vibration mode. Otherwise, it will not move, right, Udit?
Yeah.
Otherwise, phones won't move. Does it move? Does your mobile phone or anything move from one place unless you put it on the vibration mode? It won't move, right? Okay. So, have you seen a dog eating food?
Yes.
Krishna, have you seen a dog eating food?
Yes.
Dog food खाई थी.
Yes. Dogs eat food, right? They need food to live. But what about your pencil? Does your pencil need food?
No.
Swaraj? No, it does not need food. So what we can say, dog is living or non-living? Is the dog living or non-living?
Non-living.
What is the dog? It needs dog is non-living.
Living.
What? Dog needs food to eat. So living things need food to eat. So dog is living. Okay? A dog is living. But what about a pencil? A pencil is non-living because it does not need food to eat. Okay? Does your pencil need food to eat?
No. No.
No. So it is not. Okay. So about living and non-living things. Okay, you all can see the pictures: mushrooms, flower, zebra, tree, dragonfly, fish. All these are living things. What they can do? They can move. Okay, they can grow. They can move, they can grow, they need food to live. Does a plant need food to live?
Yes. Yes.
It needs food. So we give them water, okay, and they also get their food from the soil, okay. So they also need food to live. So that a plant is also living. But what about non-living? See, a teddy bear is there, a ball, a doll, chair, skateboard. These are non-living things. They don't grow, they don't move, they don't need food to live. Okay, so they are what? What are they? They are non-living things.
Non-living.
Understood?
Yes.
Yes. Next slide. Have you ever seen these pictures in the TV? In the television, have you ever seen these pictures?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
Where are they found? Can you all tell me?
In
Where
the
are
sea.
they found?
Yes.
In the
Sea.
sea. Very good. They are found in the sea. Okay. They are called corals. Okay. What do you think they are? Are they plants? Are they animals? Are they rocks? What do you think they are? Are they rocks? Are they plants or are they animals?
Land.
Okay, they look like plants because they are in one place. Okay, plants are fixed to one place. They look like plants. Okay, and see how, what is the color? Is the color green like the plants?
No.
Is it? No. So they also look like rocks because they are brown in color. But they are not plants also. They are not rocks also. What are they? They are animals. Okay. What are they? They are animals. What is this called? They are called corals. What are they called? Corals. They are animals. See what? Corals. Okay. There are different colors of corals. This is just one color. There are so many different colors of corals under the sea. All right. Okay. There is something wrong with the presentation. Can you all see the presentation, children? Can you all see the screen?
No.
No.
No. No.
Okay, I will wait for her to join back. Okay, till then, I will ask you all some questions. What is living and what is non-living? Okay. Okay. Now, Udit, you tell me, is a table living or non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. Swaraj, you tell me, is a bird living or non-living?
Living.
Living. Very good. Rishabh, you tell me, is a butterfly living or non-living? Butterfly. Butterfly देखा ना आपने? Living or non-living?
Living.
है. Living. Very good. Okay, so butterfly is living. All right. So you all know what is living and non-living. Okay. Let madam. Okay. All right. Okay. So there are so many things around us. Some things are living and some things are non-living. Two types of things around us. Okay. Like, can you name some living things? Udit, can you name some living things? Two living things that you see around yourself.
A bird.
A bird. Okay.
Then earth.
Earth. Earth is living? No, beta, Earth is not living. Earth is a planet. Okay, we are living on the Earth, but the Earth is not living. All right. Now, Swaraj, can you tell me some Two non-living things that you see around yourself. Two non-living things that you see around yourself.
A laptop.
A laptop, okay. Good. Anything else that you see which is non-living? What is that?
Chair.
Cell.
Chair.
Chair.
Scale. Oh, chair. Okay, chair. All right. So chair and a laptop. Fine. Krisha, you tell me one non-living thing that's around you.
Nicola, ma'am.
Anything non. What are you holding on in your hand? What are you holding in your hand? What is that called?
Pencil.
Pencil.
Non-living pencil.
Okay. Non-living pencil. Okay. So, okay, we can move on to the next slide.
Nicola, ma'am.
Yeah.
There's some problem with the network.
Okay. So, okay. All right.
Is my screen visible now?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. So what do living things do? They can move, they can grow, okay? They can eat food, but non-living things cannot move, they cannot grow, okay? They cannot eat food. We'll study more about them. Next slide. Okay. So now you can see the picture of an old lady this side, an old woman. What's her name? Her name is Mrs. Gren. Okay. Now she lives alone in her house. Okay. She has a doll. She has a doll and a dog. What is the name of the dog? The name of the dog is Bruno. All right. So her name is Mrs. Gren. She has a doll and she also has a dog named Bruno. All right. Now she does not have any vehicle like any bike or any car or something. So she moves herself. Okay. She goes to the market by walking. She walks everywhere and goes. Okay. She walks everywhere and she goes herself. She goes to buy vegetables. She goes with her friends. So she's moving. Okay. So Mrs. Gren, she moves. So is she living or is she non-living?
Living.
She's living. Okay. Now, but she has a doll. She has a doll with her. Okay. She has a doll with her. But she sees that her doll cannot move. Her doll is unable to move. She wants to take her doll to the market too. But her doll is unable to walk. Her doll cannot move. So what is her doll? Is it living or is it non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. Her doll is non-living. So once when she was going to the market, where she saw a shop. Okay, inside the shop there was an aquarium. Have you ever seen an aquarium?
Yes.
Yes.
No.
What's there inside the aquarium? What's there inside an aquarium? What do you see inside an aquarium?
Fish.
Fishes. Okay. So you see fishes inside the aquarium. When the fishes, have you seen that some small bubbles, water bubbles come out of the fish's mouth?
Yes.
Yes. What is happening? The fish is breathing. Okay. The fish is breathing inside water. When the fish is breathing inside water, small bubbles come up. Okay. So the fishes can breathe. but she's an old lady, so she was holding a stick. Okay, she saw that her stick is not breathing. So what, are the fishes living or non-living? The fishes can breathe. So are they living or are they non-living?
Living.
Udit? Living. They are living. Okay, but her stick is, Krishav, what's the stick?
She
She's having a stick.
Non-living.
Non-living. So her stick is non-living because her stick cannot breathe like the fishes. Okay. While she was going ahead, she saw lots of birds. Okay, she saw lots of birds are sitting and they are eating grains. Okay. Then what she did, she suddenly with her stick, she did like this. She shooed them away. She chased them away. What happened? The birds got scared. Okay, they got scared and they all flew away. Okay, they got scared and they flew away. But she saw that the grains did not fly. Okay, the birds got scared, they got frightened and they flew away from that place when she shoot them with the stick. But the grains did not fly. So what are the grains? Are they living or are they non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. They are non-living. Okay. And what about the birds? What about the birds? Who will tell me? Living. So the birds are living. Okay. The birds are living. They can sense something. Does anyone have a pet at home?
No. I had pet. No.
You had a pet? What pet did you have? Udit?
I had 5 cats.
You had 5 cats. Okay. So when you come from somewhere, do you see the cats come to you? Do you play with them? Do they feel happy when they are with you? Your cats?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do they play with you or they move away?
Play.
Okay, they play with you. Okay, so but think about your books. Okay, think about your your cats are happy when they are with you. Okay, but your books, there is no sensation. They don't feel anything. All right. So books are non-living and cats are living. They can feel happy. They can feel hungry. They can feel different types of things, living things. But non-living things don't feel anything. All right. Now, on her way, before some months, she had gone to that place. But after that, she saw a tree. Okay, a cherry tree she had seen before some months. After some months, when she saw, the cherry tree had become big. All right, the cherry tree had become big. That means it had grown. What had happened to it? It had grown. All right. Do trees grow? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so her tree grew, and some years before, her sweater was not fitting her. Do you all know what's a sweater,
Yeah.
children? Okay, her sweater was not fitting her. Okay, so she saw that the tree has grown. She was very happy. She came back home to check whether her sweater had grown. She came, she opened her cupboard, and she took out her sweater. She put it on, but still it was not fitting her. Did the sweater grow?
No. No.
No, the sweater did not grow. Okay, her sweater did not grow. So her sweater is living or non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. He is, but the tree grew. What is the tree?
Living.
Living. So the tree is living. So you can see, Mrs. Grain, like M is for movement. When you living things can move. R is for respiration, which is called breathing. We studied, right, that fishes breathe. So, and all the living things, we also breathe, right? We also breathe. All of you know we breathe.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So S is for sensitivity. When Mrs. Grain chased away the birds, they flew away. But the grains did not fly. So they can sense things. Living things can sense things. And they can also grow. All right. Now, she had a dog named Bruno. Okay. Now, in her Bruno had given birth to some puppies. Okay. Her Bruno had some puppies. So, a dog, her Bruno, okay, had given birth to some puppies. But her doll, so many years she had that doll. She had that doll for so many years. From when she was small, she had that doll. But her doll did not have any babies. So what do you think the doll is? Is it living or
Non-living.
non-living? Non-living. The doll is non-living. But what about Bruno? The dog?
Living.
Living. So living things give babies, but non-living things don't. Okay? All right. When she was working in her garden, some bird, it put some waste on her, no, on her sleeves. Okay? Uh, what is the waste material that the bird takes out? It can be some okay, urine of something like that. Okay, so she saw the bird had put some waste matter in her. Then she observed her spectacles. She wore spectacles, so her specs did not have any waste matter of any kind. So is the specs living or non-living?
Non-living.
And the bird and the bird
Living.
living. Okay. All right. Now, when she used to eat food, she needs food to live. She is living. Mrs. Grain is living. But her doll, she wanted to feed her doll. She thought that her doll would also eat food and grow up. But her doll did. But her doll did not eat food. So, what was the doll? Is it living or non-living?
Non-living.
Non-living. All right. So we spoke about reproduction. Reproduction is giving babies. Okay. So if all living things give babies, but non-living things don't give babies, don't have babies. Okay. Living things take out their waste from their body, but non-living things don't. And living things need food. Okay, but non-living things don't need food. All right, understood?
Yeah.
What are the 7 things that living things do? They move, they breathe, they have senses. Okay, they grow, they have babies, they take out their waste matter, and they also need food to live. All right, these are the 7 things that living things do and non-living things don't do. Understood?
Yeah.
Everyone? Okay, we'll move to the next slide. All right. So see, living things have babies. Non-living things don't have babies. Living things can move. Non-living things cannot move. Okay? Living things can grow. Non-living things can't grow. Okay? So these are some of the differences between living and non-living things. Next slide. All right. So now we will perform an activity. All right.
Ma'am, I'll get my things.
All right. You all must have your things. 1 minute. Just a second, 1 minute.
No. Ma'am, I brought the thing.
Okay. So, do you all have two containers? Can you all see? You all have two containers.
Yeah.
Yes. So, in one container, you all have to mix sugar with warm water. In both the containers, you all have to mix sugar with warm water. Okay. All right. In one container, you all are adding sand. Do you all have sand, children?
Yes.
All three of you?
Yes.
Sand?
Not soil.
No, Swaraj. So, what have you used? Do you have mud?
Yes.
Yeah. Mud will also do. Okay.
Yes.
Mud will also do. No problem. What happened with it?
It's very.
It does not have a good smell.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So in one, see, in both the containers, we have mixed sugar with warm water. Okay. Then in one container, we add mud or sand, whatever you have. And in the other container, we add in yeast. Okay, we add in yeast. So can you see both the containers? See both the containers and tell me what is the difference in both the containers.
One is
You
dark
will see
brown
both the
and one is light brown.
Okay, that is the color difference. Can you see some bubbles in one container?
No.
No? Are there some bubbles in one container?
Yes. I can see in
Yes.
my container, but not in. Yeah.
With your in any container, you can't see bubbles.
I can.
You can see bubbles. Okay. So in the container, Krishna, what about you? Can you see bubbles in one container?
Yes. બબલ્સ દેખાય છે તને બંનેમાંથી એકમાં મોટેથી બોલ ઈસ્ટ વાળા પેલામાં છે ને બબલ્સ
So in the yeast container, you all can see bubbles. Why the bubbles are coming out? Because the yeast is breathing. Okay, when the yeast breathes, you all know about the fish breathing inside water. What you all see when the fish breathes?
Bubbles.
Bubbles. In the same way, the yeast is also living. Okay, so the yeast breathes. That's why you can see these bubbles. Okay, and these bubbles, one gas is coming out. What is that gas? Carbon dioxide gas. We also breathe out carbon dioxide gas. Do you all know that?
Yeah.
We breathe out carbon dioxide. In the same way, the yeast also breathes out carbon dioxide. So it has these bubbles. Okay, there are bubbles. But do you all see bubbles in the container which has mud or sand?
Yes.
Can you all see bubbles, Udit? Show me your container, Udit.
The bubbles.
The mud one or the sand one?
Okay. Wow. I smell my boat.
Okay. Which is the sand one? Show me. Are there bubbles inside them?
Yeah.
Okay. But sand is living or non-living? Will the sand breathe?
No.
because sand is non-living. Okay, see, there are no bubbles in my container. Are there bubbles?
No.
Okay. Swaraj, show your container. Are there bubbles in the sand one, in the mud one?
No.
No. Okay. So from here we can know that sand or mud is non-living, but yeast is living. Okay, because yeast, where the yeast is put, there small bubbles come up. That means the yeast is breathing. Okay, the yeast is breathing, and there is a gas that is formed. That is called which gas? What's the gas called?
Dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Okay. So for today, we'll finish with this much. Have you all understood everything today?
Yes.
Living and a non-living man.
Any doubts you all have for today?
Nicola ma'am, I will ask them questions now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So, okay. Now, Swaraj, tell me one thing that the living thing does and the non-living thing does not do. What does the living thing do and the non-living does not do?
It doesn't eat food.
Non-living does not eat food. Very good. Krish,
Yes, बोल.
non-living क्यों नहीं करे?
Living things છે શું કરશે ને શું નહીં કરે નોન લિવિંગ લિવિંગ થિંગ મૂવ કરી શકે છે લિવિંગ થિંગ ને મોટેથી બોલ લિવિંગ થિંગ્સ મૂવ કરી શકશે અને નોન લિવિંગ થિંગ મૂવ કરી શકે નોન લિવિંગ થિંગ મૂવ
Okay. Now we go to Udit. Udit, tell me one thing which the living things can do and the non-living cannot. Udit? Udit, can you hear me?
Living
Please
things
unmute.
eat and non-living things don't eat.
But that example Swaraj already gave a different example.
This is like an hexagonal pyramid.
I want a different example.
Okay.
Think. Said
Living thing can walk and non-living thing can
that example Krishiv gave me. So Swaraj said living things eat food. Krishiv told me that living things can move. So you have to
living things give birth to babies and non-living things
don't give birth to babies. Okay, so now when you go out of your house, will you be able to recognize which are living things, which are non-living? आपको पता चल पाएगा आप जब बाहर जाओगे तो आप देखोगे तो पता चल जाएगा क्या लिविंग है. Am I audible?
Yes.
Voice breaking.
Hello.
Yeah, now we can hear you and see you.
Am I audible and visible both?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So I was asking that अगर आप घर से बाहर जाओगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि क्या visible है क्या living है क्या non living है. Will you be able to recognize?
Yes.
So Nicola activity to do.
Okay. So see, you all have to do one activity. I mean one homework for you all. Okay. what you'll have to do, you'll have to take 2 sheets of paper, okay? And in one paper, y'all will draw the living things that y'all see around y'all. Okay? Y'all will draw the living things that y'all see around y'all. And in other paper, y'all will draw the non-living things that y'all see around y'all. Okay? And in the where y'all draw the living things, y'all will write 2 points that y'all saw, so y'all could know that it is living. For example, if y'all see a small insect, okay? If y'all see a small insect, y'all have seen it flying, so y'all will write it moves or it flies, okay? Like that, 2 things y'all will write that y'all have seen. Either 2 things or 1 thing. 1 or 2 things. Y'all have to write that shows that that thing is living. Understood? 3 of y'all?
We only need to draw 2 things.
No, y'all don't need to draw 2 things. Y'all will draw many things that y'all see around y'all. At least 5 things. At least
we
5.
will write 2 things.
Y'all will write 2 things, yes. Suppose y'all see a small insect, y'all will draw that small insect and y'all will write that it was flying or it was eating something, like that. Okay? So 2 points you'll have to write, 1 point or 2 points. At least 1 point, but y'all can also write 2 points. Okay? So in one sheet y'all will write about living things. In the other sheet y'all will draw non-living things. All right?
Okay.
Understood what you'll have to do?
Yes.
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 Okay. You all can do it and send us the pictures on the group. All right?
We didn't do the experiment.
What is it? I can hear you.
We didn't do the something with the sand and the heat.
Oh, we didn't do some. It was already done by your mummy in the morning.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Because it will take long, so mummy did it in the morning. But y'all understood what happens is yeast breathes. That's why y'all see bubbles. But the sand does not breathe. It is non-living, so it does not breathe. So y'all do not see bubbles. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Bye.
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 Bye, ma'am.
Bye.